Have you ever contemplated the sheer audacity of the Apollo 11 mission, the first to land humans on the moon? This incredible feat was born from a daring vision, a vision that overcame formidable challenges, from technological hurdles to the dangers of the unknown. The historic importance of this event cannot be overstated, as it propelled us into a new era of space exploration. So, let's dive into the journey of Apollo 11, a voyage that changed our perception of the universe. On July 16, 1969, Apollo 11 took off from Kennedy Space Center, Florida, with astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins aboard. The anticipation was palpable, not just in Florida, but across the globe. As the countdown began, hearts thumped in sync with each passing second. The world was on the brink of an unprecedented feat, a moon landing. The astronauts, clad in their spacesuits, were the epitome of calm amidst this whirlwind of excitement. Each of them had endured rigorous training and countless simulations, preparing for every possible scenario. Armstrong, Aldrin, and Collins were more than ready. They were eager. And then, ignition. The roaring of the engines drowned out the cheers of the onlookers as Apollo 11 took to the sky. The ground shook, and so did the world, as the spaceship ascended, leaving a trail of fire and hope behind. The launch was a spectacle to behold, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. With the successful launch, the Apollo 11 mission was on its way to making history. 4 days later, on July 20th, the lunar module Eagle, with Armstrong and Aldrin inside, separated from the command module where Collins remained. The journey to the moon's surface was not without its trials. The lunar module, aptly named Eagle, navigated through a treacherous landscape of craters and boulders, finally coming to rest in the Sea of Tranquility. As the dust settled, a sense of reality began to sink in. They had landed on the moon. Armstrong, the mission commander, was the first to venture out. His foot touched the lunar surface, and he uttered the now iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." In that moment, they were not just American astronauts, but representatives of all humanity, standing on a celestial body other than our own. Aldrin soon joined Armstrong, and the moon became a temporary workplace. They set up scientific experiments, collected lunar rock samples, and planted the American flag, leaving a lasting imprint on the moon's desolate landscape. This was not just a journey, it was an act of discovery, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless quest for knowledge. Yet, they could not stay forever. After a brief period of rest inside the Eagle, Armstrong and Aldrin fired up the ascent engine, leaving the moon's surface behind. After spending 21.5 hours on the moon's surface, the astronauts began their journey back to Earth. On July 24, 1969, the world held its breath as the Apollo 11 spacecraft re-entered Earth's atmosphere and splashed down in the Pacific Ocean. The return journey of Apollo 11 was as momentous as its launch and lunar landing. As the spacecraft hurtled back towards Earth at a speed exceeding 25,000 miles per hour, the astronauts aboard prepared for re-entry. The command module Columbia, the only part of the spacecraft to return to Earth, had to enter the atmosphere at a precise angle. A degree too steep, it would burn up. A degree too shallow, it would skip like a stone across the atmosphere and be lost in space. But with the expertise of the crew and ground control, Columbia entered the atmosphere perfectly, its heat shield protecting it from temperatures hotter than molten lava. As Columbia splashed down in the Pacific Ocean, the world erupted in celebration. The successful return of the Apollo 11 astronauts marked a monumental achievement. For the first time in history, humans had traveled to another celestial body and returned safely. The global reaction was one of awe, pride, and a renewed sense of possibility. The legacy of Apollo 11 is far-reaching. It not only demonstrated the remarkable capabilities of human ingenuity and determination, but it also marked a turning point in our understanding of our place in the universe. The mission ignited a passion for space exploration that continues to burn brightly today. The iconic images of astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the lunar surface have become symbols of human achievement. Their footprints on the moon, still visible today, serve as a reminder of that historic journey. And the words spoken by Armstrong as he took his first step on the lunar surface, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," have echoed through the decades, inspiring generations to dream, explore, and push the boundaries of what is possible. Apollo 11 not only successfully landed humans on the moon, but also opened up a world of possibilities for space exploration. In just 8 days, the Apollo 11 mission revolutionized our understanding of space. This audacious journey began with a monumental launch, propelling 3 brave astronauts towards the unknown. Their lunar landing, a breathtaking feat, marked humanity's first steps on an alien world. But the voyage didn't end there. The astronauts' safe return to Earth and the enduring legacy they left behind encapsulates the true spirit of exploration. The voyage of Apollo 11, a testament to human ingenuity and courage, will forever remain a shining beacon in the annals of space exploration.